Here I have Poco M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off random apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps at the same time which you don't use in this moment, they could make your device to work slower. So what you can do about them? By tapping on this recent button, you can see all of these opened apps, and to close them all at once, just tap on this cross button, and after that all of these apps will be closed, your cache memory will be cleared, and device will work faster. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.